Today we are going to discuss a lot about the option buying strategy. So what I personally use, okay, I'll be disclosing the option buying strategies what I use in personal, okay. And on that note, hope everyone know, like we are just using the option buying strategy for the past, a separate account for option buying strategy, which has generated almost like 100% of capital gain. We started with 1 lakh capital, and right now we are sitting with a net realized profit post brokerage and slippages and taxes. It's almost like 112% as of now. Okay, so this is a positive note, and we do have the negative part as well. Okay, so I'll just discuss with you guys the negative part because that's the most important thing. Okay, so we do have this verified P&L concern from the month of November onwards. So I'm posting it from the day one. Okay, so from the day one when the verified P&Ls things get started, I'm just posting it on everyday basis. Okay, so you can just note like how things happened. Okay, so you can just understand what are the things, like how the P&L swings. Okay, so you can just understand over here. Okay, so that's the first and foremost thing what you need. You can just verify how option buying used to happen. Okay, so I have a negative part. So we have seen the positive part, that is literally okay, but the negative part need to be understand in a very clear way. Okay, so first half an hour I'm going to tell you what not to do, because what to do is something everyone says, right? So what not to do is what I'm going to say you for the first half an hour of period. Okay, so you can see over here, I started this option buying account from the month of September. Okay, so this was earlier. Okay, so this was when I had both buying and selling together. Okay, so I started by option buying and selling from like its dedicated P&L. Okay, from the month of September onwards. Okay, so what literally happened, in the month of September, we started everything was literally very good. So you can see like I had a slippage of 1.5% after brokerage. Okay, so this is everything is after brokerage and slippage. Okay, from the month of September, so till the month of March, I was literally not earning anything. I was literally not earning anything. Okay, so it was totally zero, and even I was in loss. Even I was in loss of. Okay, so people say the voice is low. I think so. It is all because. Just give me a moment. Okay, so what literally happened? Like from September. So September, October, November, December, January, February. Okay, so it was like 6 months, 6 consecutive months. It's not something like 6 days or 6 weeks. 6 consecutive months I was in loss. Okay, and that is how the option buying will be. That is how option buying will be. Okay, so how many of you will withstand the 6 months of consecutive loss? How many people watching this video over here will withstand a 6 months of consecutive loss? Come on, guys. Not me. I can't. I'm very sure it's literally very hard. Okay, so even I agree with it, but I was still holding it. So because I knew, because I'm the person who created the strategy, so I have the conviction, right? I have the conviction. So once you have the conviction of what strategy you have created, then only you will be able to execute it for 6 consecutive months. Okay, so I'll just show you the track record. Okay, so on that note, I'll just ask you another question. Okay, how many of you, like you said, like I don't know, 90% said no, you will not hold it. Okay, so how can you just guess how much time it would take, it would recover the loss what I have made? Can you guys say me the recovery part? Okay, so Deepak says it's 1 month. Vinod says it's 1 month, it will be recovered. Three times the period, which means like one year, 8 months. Okay, so 1 month, 2 months, 6 months loss can be in 2 months can be recovered. Okay, so 3 months, one good trade. Okay, that's literally the exact word. Only one trade is enough to make the entire profit. So I was sitting with almost like 1,12,000 rupees or 1,20,000 rupees of net loss on the particular period of time. Okay, so that was the exact thing. Okay, so let me just show you. I was sitting with loss from the month of September till the month of February. Okay, so I was sitting with loss. Okay, you can see over here, like it was loss, 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 loss. But there was only one trade, which we took it on 3rd March. Okay, so 3rd March has generated a PNL of 1,62,000 rupees. Okay, it has generated a profit of 1,62,000 rupees. Okay, so this clearly says that only one trade is enough to recover all the 6 months loss. All the 6 months loss. Okay, so now you have a doubt. How did he? So this will not happen, right? Okay, so let me just show you. I'll just open all the trades which has taken on that particular day, so that you can understand, okay, what literally happened over there. Okay, we did had the other trades as well. Okay, so I'll just show you like 6 trades which I follow from very long time. Okay, so let me just go to the date of March 3rd. Okay, so where is March 3rd? So March 3rd is over here. So March 3rd. So March 3rd, you can see over here, it is 21,000 rupees of profitability. 21,000 rupees of profitability. I do had other trades as well. Okay, so I'll just show you those things as well. Okay, so this is March. So March 3rd, where is March 3? Another 20,800 rupees. So over here, it was 21,900. And over here, it is 20,800. And on the other note, here you can find 19,600. 19,600. And then over this is on Nifty. Nifty March 3rd, it was 11,700. March 3rd, 16,500. And March 3rd, 19,500. Okay, now guys, SEMI. Okay, so it's collectively 1,20,000 over here, I think so, if I'm not wrong. It should be like 1,20,000. So like we had like multiple steps, because on that time I was running almost like 12 trades. Even till April mid, I was running all the 12 trades. Okay, April mid, it's April last week, I think so. So till that I was running 12 trades. After that, I just changed my portfolio. I'll just show you the earlier portfolio and the current portfolio as well. Okay, so what I'm using right now. Okay, so now you guys say me, like it's possible, right? So option buying, it's literally possible to make the money. Okay, it's literally possible to make money. You can make 100%. That's for sure. But one thing what you need to understand is the process it undergo. The process it undergo. Okay, that is the most important thing what you need to understand. So it's right now, I do have 97 days of drawdown duration. So which is the current strategy is whatever I'm using. Okay, that is a live drawdown. The live drawdown is 97 days, but still we don't know like whether it go for 100 days or 120 or 150. I don't bother about it. But I knew that this will make money. This will make money because we need to hold it. Okay, so it just took only one single day to recover the entire losses, and it came to profit as well. And after that, from the like March end, I was with a very good profit. And in the month of April and May, right now, you see like it's almost like 112% of profitability. So which clearly says that, yes, it is possible to make money using option buying. Okay, so now, how many of you are with me that you will definitely become a full-time option buyer? How many of you are with me? How many of you are literally interested as well? Almost 200 participants are viewing it. Okay, so I hardly get only less number of messages, despitely. Okay. Okay, that's good. So now we'll just discuss further in detail about how the option buying literally works. Okay. So what I do, I just copy and edit this. Okay, maybe like I do have the strategy already edited for me. Okay. Okay, so the Ranjit Kumar, like that's I'll answer your question at the end because that is related to option selling. Okay, So no need to worry about it. Okay, so we had the rough time on option selling from January to March. I'll just discuss on the same. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so how many lots I have used? I have used only 2 lots. You can see over here, it's 2 lots. So everything is for 2 lots. Okay, so all the trades which has been taken are for 2 lots. It's not for 1 lot, it is for 2 lots. Okay, so now let me just take you to the option buying. Where is 01? Okay, so this is the strategy 01 strategy what I use. Okay, so I'll just share you guys the link. Okay, so whatever the presentation I'm just sharing with you. Okay, so what are the strategies or link I'm sharing with you? So a small disclaimer. Okay, so these strategies are used for my own internal purposes only. So you just do your own analysis and then deploy it. Because I said earlier, so there is a possibility that you will be in drawdown for 6 months. Okay, you need a heart to do something. Okay, so I just shared this, shared you the what is this, the strategy links. I think so everyone got it. So please try to save it somewhere or just share it with any WhatsApp person. Okay, so or else it's because I'll just stop the presentation, stop the sharing next 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay, we wish to have 2 hours to sustain for 6 months. Let's say no need to worry. Okay, so I'll just tell you like how to handle those things as well. Okay, so before that, let me just download the data of this particular trades. Okay, so here we have how much was the drawdown. So drawdown was 1,12,000 or 20,000. That was a maximum loss it went to. I'll just show you those things as well. No need to worry about it. No need to worry. I have the data. I'll just share it with across. Okay, so this is the data of the trades on this particular setup I just shared with you. Okay, so now what I'm going to do over here is, okay, sorry, where is this? Okay, so we were able to generate 4,28,000 rupees of profitability. I just put 4,28,000 rupees of possible profitability. And how many number of trades? It has taken 565 trades. Okay, so 565 trades. And now I will ask you a question. So we do have the data from 2019 March till date. Okay, Didi, why you have taken only from March? Okay, whether the strategy has not worked before. The strategy literally worked very good in the past, but I do have the habit of taking all my backtesting from 11th March 2019 because that was the day when Nifty weekly options was introduced. Okay, so that I keep everything on a single track. So I take all my backtesting only from March 11th March 2019 onwards. Okay, so we do have almost like 4 years of data over here. So 4 years, it's literally how many months? 24, 48, 50 months. Okay, so we do have 50 months of backtest data. Okay, on 50 months, how much trade it has taken? It has taken only 50 months. It has taken only hardly 565 trades. 565 trades. Can you guys say me, per month, it is only 11 trades. Per month, it's only 11 trades. It is possible for you to sit before the system and just in a month time, you will take only 11 trades. And literally, it is not possible for a human being to do it. Because we sit before the system, in a single day, we will enter 11 trades. Okay, in a single day, we will enter 11 trades. But in 50 months of tenure, we do get only 565 trades. And that's the first and foremost thing what you need to understand. So we take trades only a limited number of trades. Let me just put the filters over here. So someone is on, okay, I mute everyone. Okay, so now I just sort the profitability from highest, largest profitability to smallest one. And then I'm going to submit. So I check where I get the 4,20,000 rupees. 4,30,000, we keep it. It's 4,30,000. Okay, here I get. So it is on the trade of 57. It is 57 trades. So I'm going to trade 57 divided by this into 100. Okay, so this is 10% of the trades. So now you guys say me 10% of trades contribute to the entire profitability. It contribute to the entire profitability. So what it means? So what it means? The remaining 90% literally cancel each other. So you need to take the trades every day in and out in order to make this profitability. You need to take the trades in and out in order to become a profitable trader. Okay, so that's the first and foremost thing you need to understand. You can't skip even a single trade. If you miss out one trade, and your entire P&L will be ruined. Okay, so that it clearly says that you can't even skip a single trade in order to become a profitable trader. Okay, so now I will put the question the other way. So we'll just see what is the strategy. So I'll just copy and edit so that you can just see like what are the things involved over here. So Bollinger Band is the first indicator which added over here, RSI, and then we have the pivot point, and then we have the super trend. These are very, very basic strategy, very, very basic. Okay, it's like everyone knows all these indicators. Okay, everyone knows all these indicators. We know like Bollinger Band. Okay, so let me just show you how things look like. Okay, so this is Bollinger Band. So Bollinger Band will have a upper Bollinger Band. We'll have a middle line and we have the bottom line. Okay, so this is on the Bollinger Band. And on the super trend, everyone knows about super trend. It's a very, very simple indicator. Okay, super trend. And RSI, even the baby trader knows RSI. Okay, and even the baby trader knows the pivot point. We do have like pivot point R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. Okay, if I'm not wrong, everyone knows it very well. Okay, so now here comes the concern. Okay, so now what we are going to understand. See here, the strategy is very simple. Okay, so what does the strategy exactly speaks about? Whenever the current candle closes above upper Bollinger Band, you can see here. So here is a case. Upper Bollinger Band. Okay, this is the blue color line is upper Bollinger Band. The candle closes above. The candle close over here is above the upper Bollinger Band line, the blue color line. Okay, the first condition is satisfied. What is the second condition? RSI is above 70. Okay, RSI, where is RSI? Okay, RSI is above 70. Yes, it's above 85 actually. Okay, it is above 78. Okay, RSI is above. And R1. Okay, so the next one is current candle close is above R1. Yeah, it's a 3-minute chart. We use only 3 minutes time frame. Okay, current candle close is above R1. This is R1. We are above the R1. Condition satisfied. And current candle close is above super trend. Yes, obviously the green line over here is a super trend. So current candle close is above the super trend line. So that's it. So we take the trade. So when we will exit the trade? Whenever the current candle closes below the middle Bollinger Band or 10,2 super trend. Okay, so now let me just check. Okay, so where we close it, whenever it crosses below the 10,2 Bollinger, whenever it crosses below the middle Bollinger Band, I will exit the trade. Okay, so based upon the middle Bollinger Band, I would have exited over here, as well as my super trend closed below over here. Okay, the super trend closed below over here, and this is also the second condition also satisfied. Either one condition, if it satisfies, we'll exit the trade. But we were able to capture the entire move. So the trailing stop loss is happening all because of the 10,2 super trend. The trailing stop loss is happening because of the 10,2 super trend. And the middle Bollinger Band as well trails it in a very proper way. Okay. So now let me just ask you a question. So soul-heartedly, you are going to give me the reply. All the 100, 200 participants. Is it possible for a human being to check every 3 minutes whether the current candle closes above the upper Bollinger Band, whether the RSI is above 70, the current candle closes above pivot R1, current candle closes above super trend? And by seeing everything, you need to look into the the premium, you select a call option of 400 rupees of premium within a second. Obviously, the answer is going to be no. Okay, and this is where the concern is. See, all the strategies will work in the market. You do anything, this simple strategy, it's a very simple strategy, it will work. Okay, and here is an example, like everything has an example over here. Okay, this is a simple strategy. This strategy works very good in the market. Okay, but what is the problem on this thing? What is the problem? Why you can't make money out of the trading? See, the simple strategies work, but still you can't make money out of it. No, see, like, despite of low wicks, high wicks, this will give profit. Okay, let me just ask it. Like, we are in the lifetime low of wicks. Okay, we are in lifetime low of the wicks. Still we make money. We made 100%, right? Still we make money. So wicks is not going to be the concern. Manual intervention. See, the problem with all the strategies, whatever you know, it works only after the market hours. Because after the market hours only, you have the time to look into the chart. I'm 100% sure the people who are watching this video right now are office goer. So they treat trading as their secondary business, or for side hustle, they look for something. Okay, that is a primary concern. And the losses, whatever incur to you, it is all because of you. It's not because of the strategy what you have created. If you are doing manually, okay, I'm speaking on the manual perspective on here, or like something, if you're doing manual trading, right? So on that note, all the problem is you. It's literally you, and as well as for myself, it's me. Because we can't sit before the system, for sure, for the consecutive 6 hours. Every 3 minutes you look into the system. Okay, every 3 minutes you look into the system. It's not possible for a human being. It's not possible for a human being. So that is why I say, we need something. Okay, so it does not mean that you need to use only Quantman. Okay, you can use like any platforms. But one thing, what you need to understand over here is the consistency. Okay, as a human being, we will definitely have lots and lots of issues. Okay, so even if I have some sort of, even I'm a full-time trader, I sit before the system, but my wife called me and say like, this grocery is not over here, it's not in the home, so please can you buy me this one? Or sometimes my driver will be absent, so I need to go to pick my daughter from school. So there are many things a human being will undergo, but system does not have those things. Okay, see, always you treat Quantman as a person who places order on behalf of you. Okay, who places order on behalf of you. Okay, so don't treat it as an ATM machine. Okay, so please, you can just have a view on this. Always treat Quantman as a person who places all the orders on behalf of you. Don't ever think Quantman will act as a ATM machine for you. Okay, so this is because many people will treat always Quantman as a ATM machine. Okay, this is on my experience. Okay, everyone say, okay, I put the money, I need to make money. Okay. Okay, so there is some problem. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So there was a small disturbance. Sorry for it. Okay, so now we just back on the track. Okay, so altogether, like I will be having a 10 transactions, but this has never ever happened. Okay, so this is the first and foremost thing regarding the strategies. Okay, so now let me just understand one thing further. Okay, so till now, I gave you a very clear conclusion that you need to do automatic in order to take the trades in a very proper note. That's the first and foremost thing. Second important thing, you will cut a trade. Okay, so let me just, instead of showing it over here, let me just ask you on this perspective. Okay, so here we take a trade. Okay, so this trade was taken at 390. So the 397 was the entry. 397 was the entry. We got the trade, the trade got exited at 835. Okay, so how much points of difference? It's almost more than, okay, it's almost doubled, right? From 400 to 835, it's almost doubled. Okay, so now, will you wait for this 400 rupees? Okay, will you wait for this 400 rupees? From 400 to 800, will you wait? I'm 100% sure you will never wait for it. Okay, I'm 100% sure you will never ever wait for it. Okay, that's one of the very important thing. Okay, no one will wait for it unless and until you follow systematic. You will never ever wait. So if you see, like, there was one day we get, okay, so on the other hand itself we'll put it. Okay, so I was able to make 20,000 rupees out of this trade, 22,000 rupees literally. So it is possible, if I would have cut the trade at 2,000, if I would have cut the trade at 2,000, what will happen? I will regret for the entire day. I will regret for the entire day. Okay, this will definitely happen. Okay, and you guys would have experienced it for sure. You guys would have experienced it. You would have cut the trade for 2,000 rupees of profit. By end of the market, it would have ran to 10,000 or 15,000 rupees, and you will definitely say, "Oh my God, Babre, I cut the trade." Okay, many people will definitely. I had many experience whenever I do manual trading. Right, I was literally not happy with it. I'm 100% sure. I'm 100% sure I'm not happy with my manual trading. Okay, why? Because I will take the trade, I will make money, but I will cut the trade at some point of time. What literally happens, I will definitely regret for whatever the profit I made also. Okay, so there is one. Okay, Sudhakar says I cut the trade at for 3,000 rupees. Exactly. Okay, so even I remember you have mentioned that word. Kaiya vechittu summa irundhakka, I would have made the profit. I still remember while you posted the same in Telegram group. Okay, so see, the second most important thing when it comes to option buying is you should never ever cut the trade. You should never ever cut the trade. Leave it to the system. Leave it to the system. Okay, system will take care of things. Okay, so that's the second most important thing. And the third most important thing, one day we will put 2 lots. The next day we will put 3 lots. And we make profit on the first day. We make profit on the second day. But on the fourth day, we will increase the lot size from 4 to 10. Because we will become ultra legend, right? We found out something, the holy grail in the market. We'll put 10 lots. Okay, we'll put the 10 lots. And like what literally happens? You know what literally happens? On that, once you increase the lot size, you will definitely lose on the particular trade. So whatever the profit you made on 2 lots and 3 lots, you will end up losing some more capital as well. So if you have started following in 2 lots or 10 lots, you just remain with the 10 lots or you remain with the 2 lots. Don't ever try to change the lot size every now and then. Okay, and this is the third most important. The fourth most important thing is for your entire portfolio. Okay, so if someone like this was one of the greatest lesson what I have learned from my grandfather. My grandfather used to say one thing, actually he says this in Tamil. So I'll just translate the same in English. Okay, so it will be not that much humor. If I just translate it, the sense will be quite less whenever I say it on English. Okay, so because in Tamil he said more, he just said it in colloquial language, but still I just try to manage with the same tone. He used to call me like, Dharani, whatever you do, okay, you can just do. Okay, it's good or bad. But if something hurts your sleep, you are not able to sleep in the night, then it clearly means that you are doing some mistake. Okay, you are doing some mistake. And that's the same, I take it for my portfolio as well. See, if I lose a 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees or even 50,000 rupees, if I lose, I will sleep on the night. Aram se, I'll just sleep. I'll not even have any hesitation. But on the same time, if I lose 2 lakh rupees on my portfolio of, so I do have multiple portfolios. So on a portfolio, if I lose 6 lakh rupees on a day, I will not sleep, because that is 1% of my capital. So on that particular note, it's very hard for me to sleep on that particular day. So few people will have something like, okay, if I lose 1,000 rupees, I will not sleep. 2,000 rupees, you will not sleep. Then you restrict your losses. You restrict your losses. You just go out over here. You just take the backtest. Okay, let me just open anyone backtesting. So here you can see the maximum loss over here is 4,000 rupees. Okay, this is for 2 lots. For 2 lots, the maximum loss was 4,000 rupees. If you can accept this 4,000 rupees of loss on this particular trade, then you go ahead and put only 2 lots. Okay, no DD, I will put 2 lots, but I don't want to accept this loss. I can afford only 2,000 rupees of loss. Then you can just, instead of putting 400 rupees of premium, you just change it to 250. Don't go below 250. Change it to 250. You reduce the premium so that you can feel more comfortable, because everyone is totally different. You are different, and those who are watching this video are totally different. Okay, so on that note, it's always mandate. It's always mandate. Okay, you need to have a mindset, and you need to define your losses. You need to define your losses. It's not me to define your losses. For me, 400 rupees, 4,000 rupees for 2 lots, it's good, well and good. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. But it is not for everyone. If you want to reduce, don't go on 1 lot. 1 lot brokerage will eat everything. Your broker will become rich. Okay, don't do for 1 lot. Always option buying 2 lots. Don't do for 1 lot. Okay, don't do for. Okay, don't do for 1 lot. Okay, so now let me just come back. So the fourth important point is you need to sleep in the night. So lose accordingly. It's for your portfolio. It's not for the individual strategy. For portfolio, I say, on your portfolio, if you lose 2% of your capital, you can just sleep aram se. Then go ahead and do it. Okay, so it's totally your call. No, for okay, so sorry, I made a mistake, Suresh. Thank you for making it. So the maximum loss, this is for 1 lot. This is for not for 2 lots. This is for 1 lot. Okay, for 1 lot, this is 4,000 rupees. And let me just show you the recent time I lost 1 trade very big. Okay, so see here, it is 5,400 rupees. So till date, this is the maximum loss it has been incurred. No, here, sorry, because I just moved the page. So it is 7,800 rupees. So this is a maximum loss for the past almost January. Okay, for the past 6 months, 7,800, which was recently happened. Okay, that was a maximum loss. It just got incurred for it incurred on my account. Okay, so now I'll just show you another example on the P&L itself. Okay, so how option buying exactly looks like. Why I just changed it to like a single dedicated account for option buying, and I want you guys to understand, and because I need to showcase on a very proper note, right? Okay, so I have the responsibility to explain you the negative as well as a positive aspect. Okay, so whenever I lose 8,000, I lose 26,000, I lose 8,000. Okay, I lose over here 19,000. I lose over here 5,900. I lose 2,000. I lose 31,000 rupees. I lose 31,000 rupees. I lose 6,000 over here, 7,000 over here. Okay. But whenever I make profit, you can see 2,000, 1,200, 37,000, 16,000, 18,000. 9,000, 96,000. Okay, 4,000. Over here, 8,000, 28,000, 37,000, 8,000. So 2,500, 2,600, 10,000, 11,000, 14,000, 14,000 and 8,000 rupees last trading day. Okay, so this clearly gives you an understanding. The one trade which has gave me almost 90,000, okay, 96,000. So this 96,000 rupees trade, the profit, whatever came, that is what it's sitting on my trading account right now. What about the remaining days? The one trade, 96,000 rupees, was the trade which literally generated my revenue. Okay, and over here also you can see like n number of days where I made 42,000, I made 22,000, 11 to 14,000, I lose 17,000, I lose 18,000, I lose 15,000, 17,000, but that's literally okay. But that's literally okay. But over here, this 1 lakh, this 1,62,000, this 1,62,000 played the game on the other account. On the other account, 1,62,000 rupees. Okay, so these are the things you need to understand. These are the things you need to understand. No, these are for 2 lots. These are not for two. Like I'm using only 2 lots. I'm using only 2 lots. Okay, so this while I made this 96,000 rupees, I was having a good number of almost 12 lots, 24 lots altogether, 12 trades, which contribute to 24 lots. Okay, 12 trades, I mean 12 strategies, 24 lots. Okay, it should not be 24 because I had 6. I had 4 put option. I reduced it 8 means 16 lots. For 16 lots, I was able to make 96,000 rupees for 16 lots. Okay, so I'll just calculate it as well. Okay, so this is on what date? April 13, right? So it should be somewhere like 16 lots means 96,000 divided by 16. So 6,000 rupees per lot. 6,000. Everything is algorithmic. Hey, that is what I showed you, right? In the early start, the start of the session itself. I just opened and showed you everything. Okay. That is what I showed, everything over here. Everything is a live trade. Okay, you can see here a Quantman signal and traded price. Okay, so now people have the doubt whether these are live trades or just paper trades. Okay, these are live trades. You can see everywhere. You can see these trades are taken at signal price and the traded price. You can see everything. Signal price and the trader price, signal price and the trader price. Okay, everything is a live trade. Don't think it is a paper trade. Okay, that's fine. So let me just move further. Okay, so it's like only one trade is going to give you the entire profitability. Only one trade give you the entire profitability. It is not all the trades. Okay, let me just, this is open example. This is an open example. Okay, so now you can just see over here, every trades over here, it clearly says that you will lose only out of, okay, let me just put it another way. Like we do have 20, and here we can have it as 15. Okay, so 20, 15 means 40, 50. Okay, 55 days. Out of 55 trades, okay, out of 55 trades over here, out of 55 trades over here, 55 trading days, only 2 days is responsible for the entire profitability. Only 2 days it's required for making the entire profitability. So what about the remaining 53 days? What about the remaining 53 days? Just imagine, what about the remaining 53 days? It's bad, right? It's not going to be good. So you guys will experience loss. You guys will literally experience loss. And that is part of the business. You can't skip your losses. You can't skip your losses. Okay, a small shout out for those who are watching the video for the first time. So if you like to buy a plan on Quantman, okay, so you can just use WEB10 discount code. Okay, so WEB10. I'll just share it with everyone. So those who like to buy a plan with any plan, okay, so it will be monthly or yearly. Okay, so Web 10 will be used. Web 10 can give you 10% of discount. Okay, so people say now a lot of fluctuations in MTM. Obviously, see, option buying is not like option selling. You will have the fluctuations. Okay, let me just put it another way. In 2022, okay, so top 5. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so top 5 profitable days and top 5 losing days. Okay, these are the trades I have taken for only like it's for 2 lots. Okay, for 2 lots, we have almost like 8 strategies. For that 8 strategy, the highest on a single day profit. Single day profit is 4,632,000, which has happened on 20th of September 2019. And the second profitable day is 17,000, sorry, 1,17,000 and 1,56,000. And we do have 1,54,000 and 1,48,000. And top lose make like how much day, like what is the maximum loss we have made? 62,000 rupees on a single day, 44,000 rupees on a single day, 41,000, 37,000 on a single day, 36,000 on a single day. Okay, and you can see over here the each and every individual strategies drawdown. One strategy will have 117 days. Another strategy will have 109 days, 92 days, 121, 93, 109, 109, 98. So it cumulatively, okay, on a accumulation, you can see the entire drawdown is 97 days. The entire drawdown is 97 days, and that is the current incurring drawdown. Okay, so I expect one day will make something good profitability. Okay, so regarding this Excel is available in Quantman Telegram page. You can just find it in the file section. Okay, so this Excel will actually this was explained last week, I think. So last week Saturday we have discussed about the portfolio creation, and you just see over here the brokerage. Like actually I've not added the brokerage. I add the brokerage. Okay, and slippage I have put 1.5% of slippage. Okay, I've added brokerage as well as slippage right now. So after adding brokerage, I have 104 days of drawdown duration. And slippage is I already added the slippage, which is 1.5%. Okay, so now why slippage is very, very, very important? Why slippage is very, very, very important? Okay, so now let me just show you how much difference it makes. Okay, so I just remove the slippage to 0. I don't have any slippage. Okay, if I don't have any slippage, my drawdown duration is only 44 days. Only 44 days. After I put 1.5% of slippage, 1.5% of slippage, it literally doubles. It literally doubles. Okay. So what effect it makes? What effect it makes on the PNL as well as just sharing? Okay, on the PNL as well as I will just share it. So this is with slippage, you can see 55 lakhs of profitability with slippage. Sorry, this is without slippage. Sorry, this is without slippage, 55 lakhs of profitability. And if you put a slippage of 1.5%, from 55 lakhs, it will come to 30 lakhs. It comes to 30 lakhs, 55 to 30. Okay, almost 40% of the profitability khatam. 40% of the profitability goes only for slippage. Okay, so you need to add slippage. Slippage is mandate. Okay, and many people used to skip things like okay, let me just show you. See, brokerage over here is 3,47,000. Slippage comes out to be 25 lakhs, because many people used to ask me, Didi, why you are using XX broker, or why you are not going with free brokers? That was most common question. Okay, I just say one thing. What literally happened last week? Last week, one of the broker who gives free brokerage. Okay, so many people use that particular broker, and like it literally stopped working whenever the call option got triggered, and literally they were not able to make the big money out of what we got last week. Okay, so brokerage is literally negligible. You can see 3,47,000 against a slippage of 25 lakhs. Slippage of 25 lakhs, which is hard, which is 40%. See, the execution is the most important. Okay. See, yes, the recording will be available. So the recording will be available in Option School YouTube channel. Okay, so no need to worry about it. So I will try to upload the video in Option School YouTube channel by tomorrow end of the day. Okay, so by tomorrow end of the day, you can find the link over there in the YouTube channel. Okay, so let me just share you the YouTube channel as well. I was less active in the last few months. Okay. Option School. Okay, so you can find it over here, Option School. Okay, so you can just subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can find out from Monday onwards. You can find the Monday, I think so. Like tomorrow, I try to upload it. I'm 100% sure tomorrow I'll upload it. So maybe like if you want to watch out the early videos, right? So you can see here the full Quantman tutorial is over here, which is almost like 2 hours. Okay, there is an option live session which happened for 3 hours. Okay, so like we do have like all my videos will be quite bigger length. Okay, so don't expect small videos. So all my videos will be quite bigger one. Okay, 3 hours, 2 hours, like that only. Okay, so this is one YouTube channel, and those who like to view on like my native language Tamil, then you can just follow on DD Nifty. Okay, so this is a Tamil channel, so you can just watch out the videos over here. Okay, that's good. So let me just come back. Okay, so the drawdown is literally matters. Okay, so drawdown gives you a very big understanding, and drawdown totally depends upon the slippage what you put. If you remove slippage and you remove brokerage, everything looks like a beautiful angel. Everything looks like a beautiful angel. But you need to put slippage, you need to put brokerage. Then only you'll understand. Then only you will understand things. Okay. So now let me just discuss about the other buying strategies what we have used. Like I just shared only one strategy with you guys. Okay. So one findings like what I have personally taken. Okay, so which I personally taken is regarding the execution concerns. Okay, so please try to execute the option buying strategies every day. Don't even miss for single trading day. You will definitely regret for it. You will definitely regret for it. Okay, so let me just open the other strategies. So I just shared with 01. So let me just show you 02. Okay, so 02. 02 is a similar strategy. Like along with that, I will have the CCA, and time of the day is above 920. And all the things remain the same. All the things remain the same. Along with it, I will add CCA, commodity channel index is above 100, and time of the day is above 921. Okay, so along with the first strategy, you need to add these two conditions, and everything is 3 minutes time frame. Everything is 3 minutes time frame. Okay, Didi, why you have like similar strategies but different angle of different view? See, like there are many things what you need to understand. Okay, there are many things what you need to understand. Okay, so this is a homework. You can just take a screenshot and try to add commodity channel index of number of days candles is going to be 8, 3 minutes time frame. Okay, and commodity channel index is above 100. That's it. Okay, this is the second trade. Where is the third one? Okay, third. That is 3. Okay, so here is the third one. So in third one, what I would have given over here is I will have volume on this case. So volume is 3000. Okay, this is a different trade. I'll just share it with you guys. This is a different trade setup. This is a trade setup which happened which is based upon volume. Okay, this is based out of volume. I just shared the link with everyone, so you guys can just have a view on it. Okay. So in this trade setup, like what we exactly do is we will just look into the time frame is the time of the candle is above 921. The trade time will be happening only after 921, so that the candle will be today's, the two candles of today. It will not take the yesterday's candles and today's candle. Okay, so because of that only I just given 921. Okay, and then other note, the current candle close is above the super trend. That's the first thing. And current candle volume is above 35,000, and current candle is above previous close. And then the other thing is actually it is the current candle is making a close above the yesterday the previous candle's close. That's it. And then RSI is above 60 and current candle close is above R1. That's it. Okay. So I just shared the link as well, so you guys can just copy it and then make it and edit it. Okay, and exit is going to be 10,2. That's it. Okay, 10,2 super trend. And the same 400 rupees of premium what I'm going to use. Same 400 rupees of premium what I'm going to use it over here. That's it. Done. So this is the third strategy. Okay, the fourth one comes out to be fourth one is the same strategy, but I just added the MACD as well over here. Okay, I just shared the MACD over here. Okay, this is also homework. You can just take the first strategy. Along with that, I have added MACD. MACD is fast period is 12, slow period is 26, signal period is 9. 3 minutes candle. Everything is a 3 minutes time frame. Everything is a 3 minutes time frame. Okay, this is the fourth trade setup. Okay, so these four things are literally a good strategies. Okay, you can just have a copy of the same, like whatever I discussed as of now. And this is another trade with 40K volume. Actually, this is 50K volume. The same strategy, whatever you've seen, regarding the volume, whatever you have seen, right? Okay, so just keep on. Okay, the same volume strategy, but here I defined the current candle is above, the current candle close is above previous candle close. This is the early conditions what we are given. Current candle close is above current candle open, which means that it's a green candle. Previous candle close is above the previous candle open, which means the previous candle is also a green candle. Current candle is above R1. Time of the day is above 921. And then RSI is above 70. Current candle volume is above 50,000. Current candle volume is above 50. It's the same strategy what we discussed earlier, which I shared with you, which has 35,000 volume, and this is of 50,000 volume. This is of 50,000 volume. Okay, so you can just take a screenshot and you can just make it as a homework. Okay, so why I just giving this as a homework? Because you guys need to explore it. Okay, so if you have any problem with understanding things, or you feel difficult on creating strategies, right? Then what you can do is you can just directly go ahead to Option School. Okay, directly go to Option School. And in Option School, you can find this video, one-man tutorial, which is a 1 hour 50 minutes video. In this video, you can just understand it. In this video, you can understand it. Okay, that's fine. So the next thing, okay, so like we do have the other put options. Okay, so we do have 2 put options. I literally don't suggest put option because put option have the major drawdown. Okay, so till now, whatever discussed is only on the it's only on the call side. But put options, we do have strategies. Like this is a put option strategy. This is a put option strategy. Okay, this is a put option. This is a put option strategy. Okay, these 2 I don't suggest it because they do have higher drawdowns. Okay, so you can see like I put 1.5% of slippage, it will be khatam, done. 1.5%. Okay, this is good. This is not good. This is also having a very worst drawdown period. Very worst drawdown period. I don't suggest these 2 strategies. I do have put option, but I don't suggest it. I don't ever suggest to people. Okay. And to be honest, this strategy has given me the highest profitability. The put option, call option, what we use, right? So the put option, sorry. The put option Nifty is over here, 1.5%. You can see, no, but one thing why I have this put option is, okay, one thing why I have this put option is, It's all because whenever call option makes loss, put option will make money. Whenever put option makes money, call option will lose. Okay. And this exactly happened last week. Last week, you know what happened? In the morning session, we took a trade. Everyone was shouting in group, oh, I lost big. Okay, wait, it was exactly, okay, let me just share you the date exactly. It's when I made this loss, 7,800 rupees of loss, right? Okay, so this trade, you just remember this one. Okay, so along with that, I will take the other one. Okay, this will be very funny. Okay, literally what happened, you know. Okay, so here we have on 15th June, 17,000 rupees of profitability. Where is the other one? Where is the other one? Where is the other one? I missed it somewhere. Okay, so here it is. 8th June, I think so, 8th June. Okay, so 8th June, you can see here, like this strategy has made 5,000 rupees of profit. And the other trade was had 7,800 rupees of what was this? Where is it? Okay, 7,000 rupees of loss was made on 8th of June. On the same day, put option worked good and it was able to generate 5,800 rupees. 5,800 rupees. So, which means that this is why I have this put option. It's not mandate to have the put option, but put option will literally, okay, so let me just show it the other way as well. Okay, so if I just remove the two put options, now you can see 18 months of loss duration, 18 months of loss duration. I removed two put option. Put option Nifty, where is call option? Okay, I had 18 months. Now I have 20 months. Now I have 20 months and even my profitability will change. Even my profitability will change. So I have this put option in order to recover my losses. Okay, one day it will change. So there will be a lot of difference. Okay, so those things you can understand it from the correlation matrix. Okay, so you can see here, the first strategy over here has a negative correlation with most of the strategy because that's a put option strategy. And this put option strategy also, like this is put option strategy, it has a negative correlation with other strategies as well. It has a negative correlation with the other strategies as well. Okay, so regarding these things, I'll discuss this on the other session because like this particular class is not only for this 1.5 hours or 2 hours. Okay, so it is almost like 7 hours of session. So we have divided it into like 4 sessions. So every Saturday we used to conduct. Hence, next Saturday I'm going for the Bangalore event. So I'll be hosting the session on Sunday. Okay, so every weekend we'll have the session, at least for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, so that we try to complete it within a month period of time. Okay, that's fine. Let me just have some water with your permission. Okay. Now, okay, so that is why I have the put option. But apart from the put options are the worst one. You can see no profit. No profit. Whenever call makes profit, put makes some profit. Put will make some benefits out of it. I'll get some benefit out of it. Okay. And here you can see it was continuously making loss, but this time, okay, here you can see it has made good profit, right? It has made good profit. Okay, and that literally happened over here. And that literally happened over here. 52,000 rupees of profitability. This is my highest profitability. This is my highest profitability. And so like many people will have doubt why this call option, why it is having some less number of profitability, but still actually it has more profitability. Okay, it has more profit. Okay, so these trades was not taken on this particular account. So on that note, it was able to generate another 5,000 rupees of profitability. Okay, so there are other trades also. So like this, the call option trades was not taken on my account. Okay, so on that cases, I put it on my other account because I had some transaction between different accounts. So the trades will happen on the other account. Okay, so on the because of the case only it's showing less profit, but everything is more than 30,000 rupees. Okay, so some trades would have been not shown over here, but it was literally made. But this put option is one of the things which literally made big money, literally big money. And here also in put option also you can see this 17,000, 12,000 and 12,000. So apart from the 9,000, 7,000. So these are the trades, like it is only less number of trades which contribute to the entire profitability. Okay, only less number of trades contribute to the entire profitability. And whenever I lose, I don't lose big. Whenever I lose, I don't lose big. But whenever I make profit, I make it on bigger scale. I will make it on a bigger scale. Okay. See, these are the things, like even I just show you the put option strategy, what I use. You can just take a screenshot. Okay, it is very simple. It is very similar actually. Actually, it is very similar. The current, like in the buying side, what we done, above upper Bollinger Band, here below lower Bollinger Band. That's it. RSI where there is 70, here it is below 30. And current candle close where in the call option we take trades only above R1. Here below R1. There we use CCI minus a plus 110 or 150, I think so. Here we have minus 150. And below EMA and below super trend. That's it. The same strategy what we used for call option buying, the reverse ulta. Okay, it's just a reverse of the same. It's just a reverse of the same. So you can just take a screenshot of it. Why I'm not sharing these strategies is like these are not more stable strategies. Okay, so whatever shared till now is only for education purpose. So based upon your experience as well as your risk appetite, please try to change or modify the strategy. Okay, so I have one thing what I want to discuss. See, till date, I never got any strategies from others. Okay, so now I want you guys to create some strategies and give it to me so that I can make profit out of it. Okay, so I'll be happy. I'll be the happiest person if you guys share me any option buying strategy so that it will help many people out there who's looking for some good option buying strategies. Okay. So please share this one. Okay, so and many people will have doubt. Okay, how can I contact you? Okay, so you can just use take out my number. Okay, so this is not my personal number. This is my official. This is office number. Okay, you can just have a word with the team so that you can, if you want to discuss with me, you can just contact the person, and he'll after like most probably like he'll be clearing all your doubts. If not, then you can just ask him to like connect to me so that I can just have a word with you. Okay, whatever the difficulty you face. Okay, so this is on the put side. Okay, see, option buying, it's literally possible to make money. Okay, so now how many of you believe that you can make profit out of option buying? How many of you believe that still you can make profit out of option buying? Yes. Good. See, like this is what is literally required. This is what literally required. See, you can make money. You can make money. But only one thing, what you need to take into your mind is always, you need to stick to the plan. Definitely for 6 months, if you are not making money, you will definitely feel bad. I'm very sure, because I felt bad. But I believe the system. Yeah, Pranesh, like if you combine with option selling, the drawdown will be less. Okay, if you combine, that is good. Okay, but this session is only on option buying, so that's only I just made these changes. Okay, so regarding, there was one question in the start of the session. Okay, so that was related to option selling. Okay, so and that will give you, like I'll just give some input. Why? Because this strategy, like whatever I had done on option selling, will give you an understanding how to create your option buying strategy, and it will say you how to do your forward testing as well. See, back testing is something you can relay only for 50%. Only 50% you can trust back testing, because back testing is minute by minute data. So 50% you can trust it. Okay, if it shows positive result after putting slippage, okay, then okay, you believe, okay, so the strategy will work, but you need to do the forward testing. Okay, so how I have done my forward testing. So actually we used to discuss a lot on this in the upcoming session as well. See, actually we used to test the strategies. Okay, we used to test the strategies like for yearly, quarterly, monthly basis. And if the strategy is not working for 3 months, okay, if the strategy is not giving the profit for 3 months, then I will try to skip it. Okay, I'll try to change the strategy. And you know, literally what happened? January, February, March, 3 months, my option selling did not work. It's not only for me. I notice everyone is not, for everyone it is not working. Okay, and I backtested strategy. And in backtesting also, it is not working. And in backtesting also, it is not working. So I just concluded, okay, this is not working. The option buying, it's literally not working. Sorry, option selling is not literally working for 3 months. And you know what happened? I literally stopped. I stopped. To be honest, I stopped everything. Then I tried to understand things. I waited for 1 week. I just refreshed myself. So what need to be done? Because we are sitting in a very low VIX environment, ultra low VIX, lifetime low VIX. Okay, so this is going to be something bad. And even on Thursday, we have a combined premium of 200 to 220 at ATM. And 200 points of move in Bank Nifty is just like that. In 2 or 3 minutes, you can make 200 points of move. So everything will be khatam. All the premiums will shoot up. You will lose your capital. And I concluded one thing. Okay, Didi, I need to by myself. Didi, you need to do something in order to overcome this. In order to overcome this. So because of the on that particular note, I tried to do something. I try to make some strategy. Okay, this is not in this account. So where is the buying portfolio? Sorry, selling account. So selling, I do have another account. Okay, so I started this strategy, which is known as DD selling. Okay, so it is, yeah, exactly 64 trades. Okay, so you can see here, I started from April 1, I literally stopped the other strategies, whatever I've done. All the strategies on selling side, I literally stopped because I'm very sure this is not going to work for the future as well. So unless it is working consecutively 3 months, I will not use that. Use the early strategies. Okay, so then what happened literally? I started this strategy exactly on it is from 6th of April. I started this strategy where I started making money. I started making money over here, and then I made 15,000 rupees on like 3 trades. Very good, jolly, happy. Okay, and everything does not end like that. Okay, there was some negative. Always we have the negative part, right? It never ended like that because we put a line like this. We will make money. But God never suggests us like that. He will take it up from there, ultra down. From down, he will take it to up. Okay, that is how God decides, and that will teach you a lot. That will teach you a lot. And you know, like what I did, I started testing the strategy from day 1. Okay, so it's not only the trades, I take it over here. Okay, so I went from 15,000 rupees of positive all the way. I went to 48,000 rupees of negative. 49,000 rupees. It's almost 49,000 rupees of negative. I went, and 49,000 rupees of negative. I came to somewhere like 41,000 rupees of loss. Okay, so here you can see 41,000 rupees of loss. Okay, this was on 19th May. And you know, along with the trades, what I do, I started testing the strategy in a very good in a number of ways. So this is known as forward testing. This is not backtest. Backtesting data showed me something good. So that I started doing forward testing because I need to refine the strategy to the low VIX environment. Okay, so then what happens? I just started to do some sort of researches. So you can see the copy. First trade was happening on 6th May, sorry, 6th of April. And from that day onwards, I started doing the testing. As simultaneously, I started testing. Okay, these tests are not done on paper trade. These tests also done in live trade. You can see here. Everything is live trade. Okay, I started from there. I took the hold. So almost every day I tested different scenario, the same strategy with multiple combinations. Okay, I tested. And at 64 trades I take. 64 executions I have done. Okay, so for more than 2 months of tenure, so it's almost 2 months of tenure, I tested every day. I forward tested every day. Then I came to a conclusion what I need to use. And that is on when I exactly stopped it on 19th May, I stopped the backtest, the testing what I've done, because I understood what need to be done on the low VIX environment. And from there onwards, everything started. From 41,000 rupees of negative, there is no look way. There is no way I look back. profit, because I just changed the entire strategy. And I was able to make good sum of money from 41,000 rupees. I all the way came to 30,000 negative and the negative. And from there, I came to 20,000 negative. From 20,000, I came to 14,000 negative. And from 14,000 negative to 19,000 negative, 19,000 negative to 8,000 negative. And from 8,000 negative, all the way I came to positive, 214 rupees of positive concern. So which is almost on a within a month tenure. Okay, within a month tenure, I was able to recover the drawdown. The entire drawdown was literally covered. The entire drawdown was literally covered. And this is what I want you guys to do. This is what I want you guys to do. And literally my P&L curve became ultra smooth. Ultra smooth. There was no harsh P&L swings. It has turned out to be ultra smooth concerns. And I felt, okay, this is what need to be done on the low mix environment. Okay, so see, it is the forward testing what helps you to drive everything. Okay, it's just the forward testing which helps you to drive everything. Okay, so you need to do strategy. It's not only the back testing. So back testing is only 50%. Okay, and even you can less 40% you can keep it back testing. The remaining 60% you do forward testing. At least with one lot you do it. At least with one lot you do it. Okay, so these are the things you need to understand. Okay, it's not very easy to create strategies. So before we create strategies, we do a lot of testings. Before we make it public, we do a lot of testing, and we burn our fingers, we burn our money, because like we need to take the portfolio from 15 lakhs, because like 15 lakhs is a testing account where we test multiple scenarios. And or from once everything satisfies, then we move the same strategy to crores of account. Okay, with the accounts which has more than crores. Okay, so these are the things what need to strike your mind. Okay, it's not about creating one strategy. It's all about experiencing the strategy, how it suits you. You need to create the strategy which suits you. It's not for someone it suits. It's for me it suits. No, it's not going to work for you. It should suit you to make it not to become profitable. It need to suits you. Then only you can make big money out of it. Okay. Okay, guys, so we had a very good interactive session. So we'll just try to close the session as of now. So the session is almost like 1 hour, 20 minutes of session. So thank you all. So those who wish to take up this Web 10 discount code, you can just use this code Web 10. Okay, you will get 10% discount on all the aspects. Okay, so it's not only on monthly, on yearly, everything you can just get 10% of discount. Okay, that's good.